Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Engineering AMCO, rediving deep into a topic that is not just the future, it is happening right now, and it is completely changing the game for HVAC professionals. We're talking about artificial intelligence. If you're an HVAC technician, owner, or just in the trade, you absolutely need to stick around, because what we're about to cover will directly impact your job, your skills, and your wallet. This isn't science fiction, it's the new reality of our industry. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the AI revolution in HVAC and what's fundamentally changing. Think about your daily calls. How many are reactive? A system is down, a client is upset, and you're racing against the clock. Well, AI is flipping that script with something called predictive maintenance. Imagine your systems telling you they're about to have a problem before it actually happens. AI algorithms analyze data from sensors, vibration, temperature, runtime, and they spot tiny anomalies that signal a future failure. This means you can schedule a maintenance visit, replace a component during a quiet period, and prevent a catastrophic failure. For the client, it means no unexpected downtime and major cost savings. For you, it means happier clients and more predictable, profitable work. But it doesn't stop there. One of the biggest selling points for any HVAC system is energy efficiency. AI is taking this to a whole new level with optimized energy consumption. Smart systems are no longer just following a simple schedule. They're learning. They learn the building's occupancy patterns. They track weather forecasts. And they understand the thermal properties of the space. The AI then makes micro adjustments to the system's operation continuously, 24/7, to use the absolute minimum amount of energy needed to keep everyone comfortable. We're not talking about small savings here. We're talking about drastically cutting energy bills for your clients, which makes you look like a hero. And what about troubleshooting? We've all been there staring at a complex system, trying to decipher what's gone wrong. This is where automated diagnostics come in. Modern HVAC units equipped with AID don't just give you a generic fault code. They give you a detailed diagnosis. The AI analyzes all the sensor data in real time and tells you the issue is likely a failing capacitor on the condenser fan motor, with 95% confidence. It can even suggest the specific steps to take to fix it. This isn't about replacing your expertise. It's about augmenting it. It helps you get to the root of the problem faster, more accurately, and reduces callbacks. It's like having a senior master tech looking over your shoulder on every single call. Okay, so the theory is great, but how do you actually use this stuff in the field? Let's get hands-on with the AI tools available for today's HVAC tech. The most essential tool in your new kit is probably already in your hand: your tablet or smartphone. New software allows you to connect directly to smart sensor data and see a real-time analysis of the system's health. You're not just seeing pressures and temperatures anymore, you're seeing trend lines, efficiency scores, and performance analytics, all visualized in an easy-to-understand dashboard. You can see how a compressor is performing over the last 24 hours, not just in that single moment. This level of insight was impossible just a few years ago. Next, you need to learn how to speak the language of AI. This means getting comfortable with interpreting AI-driven fault codes and recommended actions from the new diagnostic software we just mentioned. Instead of a simple error 42, the software might say, error 42, low suction pressure. Probable causes: 1. Refrigerant leak, detected by pressure drop sensor. 2. TXV failure, indicated by erratic recommended action. Perform leak detection on indoor coil first. The AI guides your troubleshooting process, making it more efficient and logical. Your job is to use your hands-on skills to confirm the diagnosis and perform the repair. It's a partnership between your experience and the AI's data crunching power. Another huge tool is the rise of AI-powered remote monitoring platforms. This is a game changer for anyone managing multiple commercial clients or service agreements. From your office or even your home, you can log into a platform and get a complete overview of every system under your care. You can see their current status, energy consumption, and any alerts the AI has generated. You might spot a university's chiller plant starting to show signs of strain and schedule a visit before the campus facilities. Manager even knows there's an issue. This proactive approach completely transforms the value of a service contract and locks in your clients for the long term. Now, let's move on to installation and calibration, because AI is changing that too. When you're installing a modern system, you're not just connecting ductwork and wiring, you're mastering the integration of AI-enabled thermostats and controllers, understanding how to properly connect these devices to the home's Wi-Fi, link them to the cloud, and configure them for the specific unit is a critical new skill. A botched setup can leave the system underperforming and the client frustrated. Getting the integration right from the start is paramount. Once everything is connected, you need to calibrate the system for peak performance. And again, AI is your assistant. Many new systems have an AI-driven commissioning process. The system will run itself through a series of tests, with the AI analyzing the data to fine-tune airflow, refrigerant charge, and other parameters. Your job is to initiate this process and interpret the results. The AI might tell you that airflow is restricted by 15% and suggest checking the filter or a specific duct run. This ensures every installation you do is running at its absolute maximum efficiency from day one. Of course, with new technology come new problems. You'll need to get good at troubleshooting common AI sensor and connectivity issues during setup. Is a sensor not reporting data? Is the smart thermostat not connecting to the network? Is the app not communicating with the main controller? Knowing how to diagnose these network and communication issues is becoming just as important as knowing how to use It's a new layer of troubleshooting that the best techs will master. So, what does all this mean for your career? The future is now, and AI's impact on your HVAC career is going to be massive. First, let's talk about upskilling. There are new certifications and training pathways emerging specifically for AI-savvy technicians. Manufacturers are offering courses on their new smart equipment, and third-party organizations are developing credentials in building automation and smart home integration. Investing in this training now puts you ahead of the curve. It's a clear signal to employers and clients that you are a forward-thinking professional. This expertise also allows you to offer brand new services. Your business can now go beyond simple repair and maintenance. You can start offering AI-driven energy audits, where you use the system's data to provide detailed reports on energy waste and recommend specific high-value upgrades. You can sell system optimization packages, where you periodically fine-tune the AI's parameters to adapt to changing building use. These are high-margin, consulting-style services that elevate you from a tradesperson to a trusted energy advisor. Ultimately, all of this leads to increased earning potential. Let's be blunt. Technicians who can install, diagnose, and optimize AI-driven HVAC systems are going to be in incredibly high demand. They are more efficient, they can solve more complex problems, and they can offer more valuable services. This makes you indispensable. Whether you're working for a company or running your own business, AI proficiency will directly translate to a higher income. The industry is evolving, and those who evolve with it will be rewarded. So, you're probably thinking, this is great, but where do I even start? Let's break down your next steps to becoming an AI-ready HVAC pro. First, look into recommended online courses and workshops. Many major manufacturers like Trane, Carrier, and Johnson Controls have excellent online training portals. There are also great courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera that cover the fundamentals of IoT, the Internet of Things, and data analysis. Start with the basics to build a solid foundation. Next, get involved. Join professional HVAC AI communities and forums online. Places like Reddit have subreddits dedicated to HV, and there are specialized forums where techs are discussing these new technologies every day. Listening to their experiences, their challenges, and their successes is an invaluable form of learning. You can ask questions and share your own journey. Don't be an island. Be part of the conversation. And finally, my biggest piece of advice is to start small. You don't need to become an AI expert overnight. The next time you're recommending a system replacement, maybe suggest a smart thermostat and learn its ins and outs. Pick one or two tech-forward clients and offer to implement a remote monitoring sensor on their system. Get your hands dirty with one tool on one job. Build your confidence. Step by step, the momentum will build. And before you know it, you'll be comfortable and proficient with this new technology. The bottom line is this: AI isn't coming to take your job. It's coming to transform it. It's a tool, probably the most powerful tool we've ever had in this industry. The technicians who embrace it, learn it, and master it are the ones who will thrive in the years to come. I hope this gave you a clear and exciting look at what's on the horizon. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future content on the cutting edge of the HVAC trade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.